Welcome back to Peaks 47. So I'm quite pleased with how they've came out. The usual methods have been undertaken again, and I've just obviously dusted them up just for a bit of footfall. Nice and a cheap, quick, easy way. Get some Barrow crossings in. So I'm going to have a go trying to make some ground signal levers. So I plan on extending the sleepers with some spare sleepers I've got, and then with a drawing pin I'm going to try and bend it in two places to give me the lever, and then paint it white with the black tip. So I'll just show you an example now. So these are the sort of pins I'm using. Now this is 35mm long, so obviously way too long, but I'm going to try and bend them into shape and then trim them down with the Dremel just to trim the top off. I've actually used pliers in the end to start with the furthest kink first, and then kink the second one. And then the idea is that's going to sit in the sleepers. I can cut this down, paint it white. Hopefully they shouldn't look too bad. So that's the idea. Bit of 4mm cork to get the sleepers level with the point, and then with the pin I'll perhaps heat it up with a lighter, push it into there, give it a paint job, fill it with ballast. Hopefully that might look something like. So I'm just going to use a drawing pin actually. It's a hell of a lot easier. This is how I've pinned my track. I know a lot of people glue it. I still decided to pin it down. I did invest in this little drill to do my pilot holes for the tacks. And then as I was going along, I just somehow realised a drawing pin straight into your sleeper. Easy, a lot easier than having to drill with this little thing. So this is what I'm going to do with this. put the lever in, paint it up, see what I've got. I'm quite pleased with that, actually. Not a lot of effort really, to be fair. Just put a bit of ballast around it and a bit of ballast in between those two sleepers, perhaps weather the white down a little bit. But all in all, I think that's pretty good. What do you think? Let me know.